Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today I want to introduce Rubik's Cube.
Oh,
That one.
I think most of people have watched this movie, The Pursuit of Happiness.
yeah, so Buddhism.
The boss cube first meets a Rubik's Cube as asking him to solve it. He finished it and got tired. So teaching how to solve Rubik's Cube in 5 minutes is not it's impossible. So, but I'm afraid if one day your boss will ask you to solve this, so I want to teach you how to fix it in another way. So how to fix it? First of all, you need to tell your boss you need time to think, so you take it home. So it's scrambled. So you take it home and you turn any layer 45 degrees, like this, 45 degrees, any layer you want, 45 degrees. And put your thumb at the middle of the edge. Give a little pressure and take it out. So you can just make it apart.
I thought he's going to do
So it will be like this. Then you will get one like this. Okay? So now it's very easy. You just make them together. Remember, layer by layer, you just measure the color and put in the right place. Like this one. Oh, it's an edge, right? It's green and the red color. So you see here is green, here is red. So this one should be here. So put here. So put here. And this one is red and white. So put here, white and red. So put here. And this one is corner. It has 3 colors. White, green, and red. So it should be here. Green, white, and red. So it should be here. So just put here. Now remember a tip. Put edge before corner. So you can just assemble it like a block building. Like this. Everyone can do that. So now you know how to fix it. But I want to teach you how to pretend you are good at it. First of all, you need to buy a new one. And don't scramble it. Scramble means don't mess it up. Keep every side one color, like this. But if you scramble it, just fix it. I told you. So you just remember 4 letters. U, R, U, plan, R, plan. U means upside clockwise. Clockwise. So it's like this. You can see the picture. Clockwise like this. So it's upside. And the right side is right side clockwise. Plan means counterclockwise. So upside counterclockwise and the right side counterclockwise. And here it says times, do 6 times. So I already did 1 time. I need to do 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will go back. It will go back and to the original perfect like this. But it's not enough to pretend you are good at this. You need to do it faster. So don't use your whole hand. Use your finger. U, R, U, plan, R, plan. So it will be faster. And after you practice it, maybe 1 week, you can do like this. So you can be really fast. And you just repeat 6 times or 12 times or 600 times on the bus or on the train. People might think you are a good Rubik's player, and they might think you are smart. Thank you.